Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I have a Nokia 2720A Fold. That's, well, I'm gonna keep the middle part since I don't have, I'm a bit uh, cramped on parts. No, I don't have too many parts for this, but I have the exterior body shell, so the only problem, not the same color. But I'll make it work somehow. Don't remember, is this the battery for it? I think it is. Let's see here. Yeah, whatever. Okay, it works good. The display works as well. "4 hours and 12 minutes. Nice. Too bad it's missing the image sticker, but what can you do? I had to turn it off and get to it. This should be an easy phone. I think, I hope, I guess. I already made one or two, I don't remember, but still I had this one laying around, so why not do it? So, this phone was opened before, by the looks of it. What is this thing doing here? Well, don't care anyway. Yeah, let me take this. And here's the main board. And this was the camera connector. And this is the camera. And this is the antenna. Now you. Boy, was this thing tough. Yeah. You can't take the exterior out without taking these two screws out. These screws are shorter than the ones on the bottom part. There we go. And it's out. So if I want to take this out, I just have to press it here. See? This little hole, tiny hole actually, and it just comes out. Like this. This is just so I can clean it better. Now what I want to do is take the display out so I don't get it too dirty with my fingerprints. And this adhesive. Okay. This time display is not glued, just holds and clamps. The loudspeaker, and this should be the earpiece. Okay. That also the connector, and this is the empty earpiece. Alright, so I'm not gonna waste your time with this. I'll get to clean it. So let me take out the Should I? Yeah, I'm not gonna take it all. I'll get to cleaning this and be right back after the assembly. Don't go anywhere. Well, I've cleaned it best as I could. So, yeah, time to put it back together. Let me start off with the earpiece. All right. And now for the speaker. And finally the display. Okay. Time to glue it back together. All right. Okay, this was a huge pain in the whatever. This thing back in its place. Okay. So it's done, I hope. I put it here. Le battery. And this is not the battery for it. I need the BL4CT. Found it. There we go. So look at this. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. Well, the middle part is a bit scratched, but what can you do? It's used. So black on the outside, red on the inside. Don't have a full color one. So this is the best I can do with the parts that I have. I'm sorry that the display has problems. Display problems. I'm gonna take it apart again and see what's wrong. So apparently the small display has some issues. Let me try this thing then. If this thing also doesn't show anything, it means that's a graver problem. So as you can see, I've teared it apart again. Man, I hate when I have to do these things the second time. Anyway, what I wanted to show you is that in order for you to take this out, of course you have to disassemble this. So this has to be put in like this. See? Now easily rotating it. And now I have to rotate it again like this. And now it can be easily put in its place like this. I'm gonna put the speaker back in its place so that it will hold the flex cable. And I've also taken this metal part out of here, and it dented when I pulled it out with my pliers. Let me try to take it out of the broken body shell if I can. And this is how you take this out. You accidentally press it too hard. You don't have to press it, you just have to pull it like this. Yeah. Do like, come on, get in here. There you go. It's in its place. Now I just have to pull the flex cable here, and that's it. Look how many displays I have here. Right, so now you know the drill. I'll just put everything back together and be right back with it turned on. Hopefully it will work. Well, finally found a good display. So these are trash. And these are spare parts. How sensitive are those displays, man? Okay, now that I know it works, I can just take it out and put everything back together somehow. Oh, easy now. All right. Before I put that thing back, I found this one that looks pretty good actually. Let me try and give it a clean. Maybe it's not that bad. Let's see how it will look. Okay, this is how it shall remain. Because why not make it full black, you know? And I believe I have some buttons as well. And this one is looking pretty decent. Can I just unstick the buttons? Oh, I think I can. Because this is not to be thrown to the trash. It's not damaged. Huh. So it's not glued, it's held in place by these plastics. Okay. Just have to give this a quick clean. Well, just because it's quick doesn't mean it doesn't have to be good one. Who would have thought that I had this already here? I can just use it. Who would have thought that I was going to work this hard on this phone? Well, that's the risk you have to take when repairing old phones using old parts. Yeah. And I'm gonna put the back cover since the battery is not fully charged, the BL4CT. Well, I don't think you can see it. Yeah, I can see the display. It's hard to see with the camera. Speaking of camera, the camera works. Good. 4 hours and 12 minutes, the same mainboard. So that's it for this phone thumbnail, and thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button if you enjoyed this little torture of mine. Yeah. Well, time to put it in the showcase. Bye.